Hey guys, Eric here at howtofeedyourrobot.com. What I'm going to do today is show you exactly how to be able to take a Forex robot and make massive profits off this robot and still barely use any of your own cash. So most of you may know me from my training program, the Savage Trading Systems. I teach people how to trade Forex manually, and I also develop Forex trading systems such as robots and indicators. But what I've come across that I want to show you guys is an extremely big game changer. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this right in front of you, and I'm going to show you what this robot that I've come across, which is an extremely awesome robot. I'm going to show you the stats on this robot, and what you guys are going to see from this point forward is going to be amazing. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use this robot to actually take the capital from commissions on selling this robot and actually use it to put inside your robot and let the robot trade its money for you without you using any of your own cash. I'm also going to show you an additional system that you can use to automatically feed your robot cash. And then you can generate cash flow just from your robot alone, and also the system as well if you decide to do it. So what you see right in front of you is this robot has massive proof. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the very bottom of this page, right? And I'm going to show you exactly what we're looking at here. Okay, so what we're looking at is the analysis from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years, right? 8 years of analysis on this robot, and you see from 2012 to 2019. So I'm just going to click through here, and I'm going to show you this is proof, and it's on a live account. So you guys can go up here, you can see, all right, it's on a real account. All right, so you move this here, right? You see it's on a real account. All right, guys. So that being said, all right, so on a real money account, you see this account is already at a 600,000, all right? And this is just one of the small accounts. Okay, so you see this robot has a 93% win rate. And you're looking at this over 8 years, you aren't gonna find any other software that trades for you in the market that can deliver such accuracy over a long period of time. It's hard to find that type of stability in the market. So what I'm offering you here and what I'm showing you is a robot that can deliver the goods and has real proof of doing so. All right, so we see from 2012, this robot did pretty good. 2013, not one bad month. 2014, only one bad month. All right, 2015, perfect trading. 2016, perfect trading. 2017, perfect trading. 2018, perfect trading. And 2019, once again, perfect trading. All right, this is the line. Once again, guys, this is a real money account. This robot is insane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the history. I'm going to show you the history on this robot and on this particular account size. All right, keep in mind, guys. All right, now this guy, or this company who's developed this robot, they pretty much use it to manage their hedge funds and grow their accounts. You see, they don't make any withdrawals. It's really is a hedge fund situation. You guys have to understand, when it comes to trading with robots, it's not about taking a robot and trying to generate income from the robot. It's about building account value. Then over time, once you have a large enough account, every so often you can pull money from this account and you can be able to live off your trades. But what's important when it comes to using robots, as I teach my students, is that you have to let the bot build account equity for you. And then that's when you actually start to live off your account. So as you see, when this robot makes trades, and it did really good, as you see, hasn't lost a trade. Man, I mean, this is pretty sweet. So far, just on this account here since 3/14 of 2019, right? It's been pumping out cash. All right, guys. So you see, 1,100 one day, 1,100 another day, 13, 20, 1,100. Right, so this robot is just pumping out cash. And once again, guys, you see the win rate. I mean, it's a no-brainer. I'm giving you direct access to it. You can click the link below on our webpage here, and then you can go to the website. You can check out the robot for yourself. But this right here is just one of the accounts. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the next account. I'm going to show you guys on the next account for this robot, and you can see for yourself. So I'm going to make sure that we're getting a proper screen share. Let me make sure we're doing that. All right, and then you should be able to see exactly what I'm showing you here. So, all right, everything is clear. Once again, and this is a smaller account, right? There's only 153,000 in it. and they deposited only 50 grand, and it's already up over 206%. So once again, here's what we're gonna look at. We're gonna look at, they started this one here on 2012 as well, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years of trades, guys. And we up to 2019. You see, you had one slightly bad month, but it's a robot. It's not perfect. Just like you, if you were manually trading, every so often you're gonna lose a trade. But it's not often you find a robot like what we have with this type of accuracy over such a very long period of time, guys. All right, if you can find a better robot, definitely make sure you send me an email, show me this robot, because I like to get my hands on that one as well. All right, so once again, we have a 95% accuracy on the longs, 100% accuracy on the shorts, guys. And then we're gonna go down, we're gonna break that, we're gonna go down to the history here, and we're gonna see, all right, had one losing day. And what we're seeing on these different accounts that this company has, right, they have different settings for the robot. All right, and these settings do certain things. Right, so some settings you may have more, slightly more losses, but you still maintain over a 90% win rate. Other settings you may have a loss, and then you can set the bot up to hedge and actually get your money back. All right, so that's why you have such huge gains with this robot. It's just insane. Right, and you see the straight line. I mean, it does very well. A loss every once in a while, and it comes and it recoups that money, and it comes back and it wins. So we see right here in this particular account, since it's only $100,000 account. It started off at 50,000, right? You see, it's at over $153,000. But you see, it's winning. I mean, it's 266 bucks one day, 280 another day, 280 another day, and so forth, guys. And we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years of historical data on a real money account. All right, you guys see it for yourself. The proof is right here, dead smack in front of you. It's undeniable. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to another one of their accounts, all right? Because I'm going to show you all of their accounts. I'm going to let you see that this is a real legitimate robot that's really smashed in the game. This is the difference between you being free from sitting in front of your computer and stuck trading every day and finding entries into the market and just doing all of those things, and actually getting your time freedom back. Because here's the biggest thing. As a Forex trader, you really want your time freedom, right? Forex is designed to allow you to have your time freedom, especially when you're using softwares, competing in a market when you're dealing with your liquidity providers, brokers, and banks. When they're in accumulation and distribution phases, you want to be able to take advantage of it. And you want a software that can do it for you, which would allow you to be able to focus on other things in your life. Okay, guys, so I'm going to move on to another account that they have here. I'm going to just make sure that you guys are able to see it. All right, so we have another account, and we see almost no losses. So, and this right here is this is one of the bigger accounts. All right, we see. All right, once again, it's a live account. Everything is verified here, guys. All right, so we aren't hiding anything. Okay, this started off as a $1 million account. All right, real money account. Okay, right now they're up 1.54 million. Okay, guys. It's insane. You're still looking at a 96% win rate on your longs and 100% win rate on your shorts. I mean, the proof is right here, dead smack in front of you. 2014, they didn't get started any trading. 2015, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years of historical data again, guys, and you see, and you can easily click the link below, go to their website, and you'll be able to have access to their MyFX book as well to check it out. All right, guys. I mean, this is insane. So once again, properly using your robots, okay, would allow you to be able to do so many things that traditional Forex traders can't do. Okay, guys. And once again, I'm going to breeze through this because I'm not going to take up too much of your time, because this is self-explanatory. I mean, it's dead smack in your face, and it's obvious. It really becomes a no-brainer decision when it comes to actually growing your account and actually making money in Forex and freeing up your time, especially for a lot of people who work long shifts. You really don't have the time allowance to sit in front of a computer all day and make trades. And even so, even with using a robot similar to this, let's say you have young children. All right, and you want to set up an account that's going to start to grow and develop money for them. You can use for school, for college, whatever you want to use it for. And you see, if you would have done this, you would have got this robot in 2015 and put a little bit of money in that account, you'd be up over 54%. There's not really anything delivering those type of profits in the market nowadays. You're really gonna have to risk a lot of your money to be able to have these returns. And as you've seen on the other ones, on the other accounts, you have to, if you just consider where you properly place your money and letting a system grow it for you. You can have money set aside for retirement. You have money set aside for your children's school, for anything, for emergency purposes, anything like that. So you have to consider these type of situations. And if you really, if investing and saving money for the long haul is important to you, everyone knows, and every financial advisor will let you know that you're going to have to put your money in pretty much diversified asset class, foreign currency being one of them. Okay, guys, so you really can't ignore foreign currency when it comes to developing long-term income and also having a diversified portfolio. So this robot allows you to be able to do it without really stressing you out and you needing to learn how to trade and do things like that. So you see, and we can look at the historical data on this robot, and this is just quite insane. That's why I tell you guys, it's important to be able to feed your robot, just constantly pump cash into your robot and let your robot grow your accounts for you so that you can achieve results like this. And I'm telling you guys, it's not hard to do as long as you follow the system that I'm going to show you guys. Okay, guys, so you see one trade, this robot made 2,700 bucks, over 2,700 bucks, another trade over 2,700, another trade over 3,000. All right, and this has just been for the since 3 March of 2019. This robot hasn't lost a trade, and it just pumped out cash. Now, once again, guys, I tell you, feed your robot, let it grow the money for you, and then if you want to learn how to trade manually, you have the opportunity to do that. You have access to me, and I can show you how to do that as well. But in the process, you have to be smart about long-term wealth building and actually having and being able to have cash flow using a system like this. Okay, guys. So this is just another account, and you guys can see for yourself. You can go to the website. We aren't hiding anything. Everything is dead smack in front of you. You can go to the website. You can check it out. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to go to another one of their accounts, and let me just make sure that you can see it here and it shows on the screen. All right. So this account seems to be a bit more aggressive, but it's once again, it's a $2 million account. If you have anyone else who's showing you what their robot can do and has been doing over the last anywhere from 5 to 10 years, and they can show you results like this on accounts like this, guys, get the robot. All right. I mean, just being honest with you. Are you looking at 190% return on investment? It's a hedge fund account, guys. Who else is going to give you a robot or access to a system like this and allow you to be able to reap the rewards of trading? So you see, I mean, the proof is in the pudding. You see, it's a real account. It's a $2 million account. I mean, it's insane. All right, so grow your account, and they originally started off at 1 million, so it's actually at 2.9 million. So it's almost at a $3 million. $3 million. So can you imagine being able to grow your accounts to the size like this, and then you go down, and every so often you may decide you want to, let's go to the history, maybe you want to put a little bit of cash out. Okay, so you kind of see how the robot is designed and how it's just delivering the goods consistently. Once again, a 94% win rate, 100% win rate going short. Guys, it's a no-brainer. I mean, it's nothing here that we need to convince you. See, it took a loss, but I mean, it's a big account, so you expect to see losses, of this size. And oftentimes, the robot, you can set the robot up to hedge for you. And I believe that, so we're looking at 2014, like 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. You can kind of see that they, from time to time, they become a little more aggressive, only a 2%, 1 month, bad, 2%. But when you're doing hedge fund accounts and managing large accounts like this, your max loss, your max risk, you shouldn't risk no more than 2%, a max of 5% in your account. So they have the robot set up as if, just as if it was run by a hedge fund manager. And what you're seeing is, it really is. So, I mean, it's really following the proper principles of trading, risk management, and things like that, especially when you have your settings set up according to how the hedge fund managers do it. So we're going to go to another account, and this is the new one. This is one they just recently started. And they really want to show you guys that you can take small accounts and you can grow these small accounts fairly well and quickly. All right, so I want to make sure, just to make sure you guys can see this one I'm looking at now, and here's what we're looking at. All right, so this account here, and I'm going to go to the history here because I just recently seen that they did this. And I was kind of, really surprised and actually happy that they did, because we're going to start you from the beginning. They made a $250 deposit in this account, and when we see this up here, right? So they made their first deposit of 250 bucks, and then the bot has just been growing the account for them over the last since 2017, end of 2017, 2018, 2019, right? And the account is up over 300%. All right, guys, real account. So there's nothing else really showing you, and giving you these type of results: 90% win rate, 100% win rate on the shorts. And what they did was, I can tell that they adjusted the settings, made it slightly aggressive. It looks like they may have even taken the hedging feature off. Nope, it's on. So with the hedging feature here, the bot lost. Like 97 bucks. The bot didn't hedge, right, and then got a majority of that money back, right? So how can you truly, take L's and lose in a situation like this? And then the settings, everything is completely up to you how you want to. If you want it to be conservative, if you want it to be aggressive, if you have multiple accounts like they do, you can do the same thing. So now, if you guys decide to go ahead and grab this robot, and then follow my system, I'm going to give you access to another robot that's just as good. Well, I'm not going to say just as good, but it's pretty damn good. So then you'll be able to have two robots really smashing the market for you. Now, the objective and the goal of what I'm showing you is being able to actually feed your robot and make your robot work for you. All right. And then what you do is you just basically put money into it, keep putting money into it. So I'm going to show you something that's really amazing with this company, because a robot like this, you would think would cost an arm and a leg. You'd think it'd be extremely expensive, but it's not. It's priced at a really reasonable price, and you guys are going to see it, and it's probably going to just blow your mind. So what I'm going to show you next is the robot here. So the website. So let me make sure you guys can see. So the price of the robot, and now all I did was I went directly to the commission page, the affiliate page, because I want to show you something here. The price of the robot is only 149 bucks, guys. All right, I mean, that's a no-brainer. All right, I don't care if you have a 1-year-old child and you want to start getting things prepared financially for your 1-year-old child. Spend the 149, set the robot up, put it on an account, and just constantly just put cash into it, right? And then let that grow so that you have money for emergencies, you have money for school, you have money for things like that. I mean, once you shift your train of thought from being a consumer to being an actual investor, and you focus on cash flow, right? Because there's a big difference between cash flow and income. Okay, so we have to make sure that we properly prepare ourselves, and also make sure that our children are established. So this robot here, it pays 60% commission. 60% commission, guys. That's insane. I mean, that's insane for a robot that that produces the results that I showed you guys. You're looking at $89 for every time someone decided to say, hell yeah, that robot makes sense. That robot is delivering the goods. I want this bot. I'm going to buy it. All right. So then you earn 89 bucks. Now you can easily take that 89 bucks and you can put that money into the robot, and then let that robot continue to just basically grow your account, and you continue to do this. This is called leveraging. If you're familiar with leveraging, and most of you guys should be familiar with leveraging, all right? You're leveraging an affiliate program to feed your robot from a software that you bought from the same damn company, right? I mean, that's the epitome of proper leverage. I mean, you can't beat that with a baseball bat. You spend 149 bucks, and then you show other people that you have an insane robot that's delivering goods, and then you take the commission from them and put it into your brokerage account, and then let the bot trade that money. You aren't losing, right? You aren't even using your money. At one point, when you just refer to people, you get your money back. You put it into your robot account. Your robot has grown that money, and you can easily pull your money out that you've spent on the robot, the 149 bucks, and then just keep rocking, showing people what I'm showing you right now. And the game is insane. All right, so you have to understand this is easy. It's a simple. This is a no-brainer opportunity here. And then what I'm going to show you guys even more so, I'm going to show you the system that I'm using right now to be able to show you this, to present this robot to you. If you're doing anything online, if you want to make any kind of money online, if you have any kind of business, you need a marketing platform. If you don't have a marketing platform or marketing system set up, no one is going to see what you have to offer. All right. I don't care if you have the best product or service on the planet. If you don't properly establish your business and using a marketing system, all right, you aren't going to win. All right, and it comes to show that you really don't know what you're doing when it comes to growing a business and developing and running a business. So you're going to need a marketing platform. You need a platform that you see me using, presenting this robot and this system to you. So you already see. So you see that you can earn $89 for every person you refer to this robot. And all you have to really do is just go to clickbetter.com and sign up for their affiliate program. Do a search for a GPS Forex robot, and then just grab your affiliate links. And then I'm going to show you pretty in a few seconds how you can just basically just grow your bot. And then here's the thing, guys. You can get a robot for yourself. You can get a robot for each one of your children. You can get a robot for friends and family, whatever you decide to do, and then just pump cash into it. And especially if you work in a traditional 9-to-5, you don't have time to trade, but you do have a little bit of money to put into or to set aside for your investing purposes. This right here is really a no-brainer and a safe way to do it. I mean, extremely safe way to do it. All right. So now what I'm going to show you next is the marketing system, right? This marketing system that I use to present this robot to you, to actually show this to you, is one of the best marketing systems in the game right now. You can really manage your business. You can really manage your business, your marketing aspects of your business, acquiring customers, showing them things like I'm showing you guys, and then you'll be able to show this to them. And then here's the thing, guys. You can use my video. This video right here that I'm showing you, you don't have to sit in front of the video and try to decide how you're going to word and set things up and explain this to people. Just once you sign up, you're going to have access to my Forex Facebook group. You're going to have you'll be able to take this video, you'll be able to put it into the marketing system, and then you just be able to show people. So I'm going to show you really quick the system that we're using, and it's a no-brainer. It makes total sense. All right, so we use the Conversion Pros is one of the best marketing systems in the game right now, and it's cheap, it's effective, and it's efficient. Okay, guys. With Conversion Pros, you're able to manage your email marketing campaigns. You can build your capture pages. You can build your websites. Everything is really point and click, drag and drop. When you decide to use this system to actually show people, because it makes more sense to have an automated system as opposed to you sitting in front of a computer and posting on Facebook and all over the internet and trying to figure these things out. When you have a sensible system that can automate things for you. Once again, guys, I'm all about your time freedom. So you have to make sure you put the proper systems in place to be able to do this for you. Any smart businessman and businesswoman understands the importance of a marketing system, especially when it comes to automation. So we want to make sure that you are able to automate being able to refer people to purchase the robot, earn your commissions, and just basically just feed your robot until you have a large enough account to where you can just back up off your job. You can cut your hours short. You can spend more time with your friends and with your family. All right, guys, because these things are extremely important. We have to get away from trying to sit in front of a computer all day and try to figure out how to make money. I'm showing you right now. Let's save you some time. So here's what we have. All right. So with their marketing system, you're gonna be able to build a capture page, and you're gonna be able to build a sales funnel. How you were actually brought here to me to watch this video. I'm gonna show you exactly how I build my sales funnel. I'm gonna give you the actual the code that I use to build mine. So I'll send the code over to you, and you just be able to just basically input these codes into the Conversion Pros, and it's gonna pop up, and basically you're gonna have my funnel. All right, so it's gonna be, I'm right off the bat, everything's gonna be a no-brainer. What we want to do is we want to get you set up as soon as possible. But one more thing before you go, I want to show you how to do this risk-free to you. All right, so let me go back to the GPS Forex robot. And I want to show you something that's so much of a no-brainer that it's going to be insane. And I should have mentioned this earlier. So let me go back to the main page here, right? You get off the affiliate page, and I'm going to show you something it's going to knock your socks off. And it's amazing. So this robot, this software, these guys believe in their software so much, ladies and gentlemen, so much so they give you a 60-day money back guarantee. So let me make sure you see this. You have a 60-day money back guarantee. So what does that mean? That means when you purchase the robot, you have 60 days to decide if you like this robot or not, and you can tell them, I want my money back. I'm not going to position you whereas you can't win, or whereas you can't win if you try hard and not be able to just recoup with whatever you put into it. So 60 days. So guys, you literally have 60 days to say, okay, I like this robot. So what does that mean? That means everyone you show this presentation to using the system that I'm showing you, they're gonna say, well, damn, 60 days, man. All right, well, 60 days, I should be able to make some money with this robot. All right, 90% win rate plus, all right, over a 60-day period. That means everyone's gonna keep the robot because it's dishing out the goods, and the system I'm showing you within the 60-day period, you're gonna get all your money back, especially when you show this to other people. It's really a no-brainer. I mean, like, you're leveraging, not only are you gonna leverage their affiliate program to feed your robot, but then you have 60 days to do it risk-free, right? I mean, there's no other way to position yourself to win other than what I'm showing you right here, all right? I mean, you can't beat this with a bat. So now we're gonna go back, and we're gonna go back to the Conversion Pros, and what I'm gonna show you with the Conversion Pros are gonna, again, knock your socks right off, okay? So let's go back to the Conversion Pros, all right? Let me make sure that you can see it here. So in the Conversion Pros, in order to use their marketing system, and you guys aren't going to find a cheaper marketing system than this. All right, you're gonna see other companies are charging you $200-300 a month for stuff you really aren't going to need for what I'm going to show you. I mean, I want to set you free. I want you to be free from all the hype and all the BS. I want you to be able to use a system that's going to do all the work for you. Okay, guys. So the Conversion Pros only charge $50 a month. All right, it only charge $50 a month. Now, if you don't have the $50 a month, don't worry. The $50, don't worry, because here's what I'm going to show you is even more insane. With the Conversion Pros, we have 14 days where you can use the Conversion Pros, and they don't even want your credit card. So what does that mean? That means you have 14 days, right? You have 14 days to show people this insane robot, grab some commissions off the robot, and then when people say, okay, well, Conversion Pros, I have 14 days to use this system and start making money for myself and my robot, it's a no-brainer, because once you start showing people and then people start buying the robot and you see your commissions are sitting in the account waiting to be released to you, you're going to keep Conversion Pros past the 14 days. What does that mean? That means everyone who keeps it past 14 days, you're going to start earning the $25 monthly residual commission. You guys understand how powerful this is? So can you imagine if you referred 100 people, okay, over the period of, let's say, 6 months? And I'm not saying go out there and work hard and bust your ass and, post and talk. No, you don't even take your time, especially if you're working a job. Take your time and show people the proof that, hey, I got a robot that's making me money, man. I just made some money this morning. Check this out. Here's my link. Go to my website. Check it out. You'll see. And then they'll see this presentation and they'll be like, dude, man, like this is insane. You'll start getting sign-ups right off the bat. So you can take your time or you can go hard. Me personally, what I think you should do is go hard until you have 100 hardcore referrals, which with the affiliate commissions from the robot alone, if you refer 100 people, that's $9,000. You guys understand? That's $9,000 USD. Okay, that you can put half of that in your robot and half in your pocket. All right, and that's a no-brainer. And we doing all of this risk-free. You guys understand what I'm saying? Like we can do the numbers, and I can pull this up and I can run the numbers for you. That's insane. But then if you have 100 people that's delivering you, that's signed up and like the robot and they're using it and they're using Conversion Pros to show other people, you're looking at a monthly income of $2,500 per month. So my question to you, here's what you can do, and here's what these guys have done with this robot. They're making their money off the sale of their robot, and they're living on that. And then the money that they have in their trading accounts, they aren't even touching it. They're growing that and keeping it for retirement for whenever they want to pull money out. That is smart leveraging and smart investing and smart trading. And I'm teaching you guys the exact same principles and the exact same way that they do it here. So now what you can do is, for every robot sale that you have, you can take that cash and you can put it into your robot account for every affiliate commission you earn from your robot sales. And then your $2,500 a month from showing people, you can pocket that, feed your family, and get your time freedom back, guys. Literally 2 systems that's changing the games for you, and it's a no-brainer. So when you take the system, you take the robot, and you take my video, put it inside your landing page, and you're capturing the leads. I'm going to give you the email sequence where Conversion Pros is going to keep sending people emails and following up with them and getting them, hey, sign up, grab the robot, man. It's a no-brainer. Grab the robot. It's a no-brainer. They're going to follow up with these people, and you're going to find yourself running a completely automated system. And then I'm going to show you, if you really want to go hard with the system, I show everyone on my team how to just be able to go on Facebook and just show proof. Everyone knows the proof is in the pudding. People always like to see proof, and you guys are going to be able to deliver the goods. Even if you put it on a demo account in the beginning, it doesn't matter, right? Proof is proof. What we have works, and you can tell people, if you, I mean, you like to say, hey, I got it on the demo account. I'm showing you guys this bad boy is insane. As I get more money, I'm going to put money into it. I love it. You know, it's insane. Or you can just say, you know, just show them this is what this robot is doing. Check this out. The same way I brought you here, the same way I'm going to show you how to bring up people here. So you need to have a system that's going to help you deliver the goods, and you need a system that's going to actually give you cash flow. Cash flow over income, and cash flow is king. Everyone knows this, especially people who invest in things like real estate and things like that. All right, guys. So I just put the system in front of you. You see, once again, with the robot, the affiliate commissions are 60%, which means you earn almost $90 for every robot that you sell. All right, and then you can put that money into your robot account and let your robot just grow that account for you. That's the smartest form of hedging, of leveraging that I've seen in a very long time. I've done it with other programs. It's been as many programs, as many things that I invest in that I've never even had to use my own money because I leveraged their program. All right, guys. So then what I want to do is just a real quick visualization. I want to show you guys something here, right? So I'm going to pull up the whiteboard, and I'm going to share the whiteboard, and we're going to do something. I'm going to try to make this real quick. So what I want to do is I'm going to draw, right, a box, right? This is your robot, okay? We're going to say robot, okay? And then we're going to draw out so now you have your robot, and then your robot is just trading for you and delivering the goods, and then you just start referring people. All right, you just keep referring people, keep referring people, keep referring people. And as you see, as you refer people, you're gonna earn $89. You know, as a matter of fact, you're gonna earn $89, right? I can go these out all day, right? That box is insane. Well, I'm gonna take it out. But what you guys saying is basically every. There we go. All right. So, matter of fact, that is. I'm gonna delete all this. I'm gonna try to get this done real quick here. What I want to do here is this is your robot. All right, and then I'm gonna have these. So this is everyone you refer. All right, everyone you refer. Boom, 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 boom. So as you refer people, and all you're doing is just feeding your robot. So each one of these are $89 commissions from actually showing people the robot. So all your referrals, you just take all the referral income and you pump it into your robot, and then you will have, and then on the other end you will have what we're gonna have. We're gonna have your Conversion Pro system, right? So if your Conversion Pro system, and that's $25 per person you refer, right? And your robot, you're on commissions of what? $89, right? So every referral you receive, right, you put that into your robot and let your robot pump out cash for you. And then for your Conversion Pros, I mean, this is insane, guys. Your Conversion Pros is now feeding your robot, right? Now Conversion Pros is feeding your robot. You guys understand? So every referral you get is feeding your robot and growing your account, right? You can do that all day. And then you can use Conversion Pros to do what? Instead of taking any cash out of your robot, this is you, right? This is you, and you can take Conversion Pros you know, especially with Conversion Pros is generating you. If you go hard, your first goal should be 2,500, 100 people, right? Your first goal should be 100 people, all right? Because that's 2,500 a month. So then you can use Conversion Pros to feed your robot and put cash in your pocket. And then you can also use the affiliate sales from your robot to feed the robot itself. Guys, this becomes a super, super no-brainer. Easy money. It makes too much sense. Spend more time telling people about what you have, about the robot, and less time trying to, you know, sit in front of a computer all day and trade. All right, because I mean, when people ask you, well, what do you do? Well, you know, I trade Forex. Actually, I have a software that trades the market for me. I teach people how to be able to do the same thing that I do. And well, show me. Well, what do you mean? Like, show me. And then you can easily pull up the MT4 on your phone and show them your earnings from your robot. You can show them your earnings from Conversion Pros and your earnings from your affiliate sales. And guys, it's a no-brainer. Or you can just simply send them to this video or to your capture page when they put the name and email and phone number in. Conversion Pros actually have a system here, and let me show you. Unfortunately, you guys may see some of my emails, but it's okay. Right, so you have a Conversion Pros app. Because of the way I got it set up, you can't really see it, no matter. So you'll get a Conversion Pros app, and then you'll be able to contact people who actually go through your email system. So once they go through your funnel, they'll put their name, email, and phone number in. Conversion Pros will give you an alert. You'll see that information, and then these people will go directly to the actual landing page where you are watching this video right now, and then they'll be able to see the information that I presented towards you, and they'll be able to see this video. So you don't need to do much work. Just once you set the system up, and since you have 14 days to use Conversion Pros without using your credit card, we want to get you set up within the first 24 hours, and we want to get you putting this information in front of people, all right? And then start to make your commissions and start to feed your robot. All right, guys. That being said, I want to make sure that you know that you're going to have direct access to me. All right, so enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you guys on the other side of success.